Make sure you don't get seasick while watching the moment below.
Jag har det på film.
Natural disasters instill fear in people, and earthquakes are among the most devastating catastrophes. Fierce hailstorms not only pose a danger to human beings, but also silently wreak havoc on crops and properties.
Oh my God, please, what else?
Tropical storms are often a terrifying ordeal for those experiencing their wrath. After this hailstorm, it seems the owner of the car will have to spend a considerable amount of money.
The tornado.
After this hailstorm, it seems the owner of the car will have to spend a considerable amount of money. Be sure to reinforce your house before the storms arrive. A dam ruptured due to the tremendous water pressure, leading to thousands of human casualties and widespread devastation as a result of the dam breach. This man is incredibly daring. Didn't he see that beneath the bridge is a raging torrent of floodwater? A massive wave crashed onto the shore, sending residents living nearby into a state of fear and panic. Certainly, those who experienced this historic flood will never forget it. Run quickly! The Grim Reaper is lurking right behind you. The ancient mountain The ancient mountain, which stood tall for ages, is now slowly crumbling and collapsing. A mountain landslide unleashed tons of rocks and debris, crashing down onto the village below. It's difficult to imagine the devastating consequences of such an event. Always seek safety when these dangerous storms hit, unlike the man in the video below. Sometimes, danger strikes unexpectedly, without any prior warning. Ice masses millions of years old are slowly melting and collapsing, making it incredibly challenging to control the negative impacts they bring upon humanity. A close-up of a volcano erupting fiercely. Continuous lightning bolts tearing through the sky are signaling an approaching thunderstorm. A cloud carrying lightning bolts illuminates the entire sky.
Iba na yung amoy.
Amoy ano na?
Amoy sulfur na, no? Naku, hindi ko pala sinuot yung ano. Oh my God! Nakakatakot yung mga kidlat.
Just by looking with the naked eye, you can perceive the immense power of this formidable storm. Next up are relentless giant waves relentlessly pounding the shore. Looking at this imminent, perilous scene, what are your thoughts on the impact of human actions on nature? The sky during a storm resembles a day of apocalypse. You are witnessing the devastating sight of a house being severely damaged and swept away by floodwaters. There are indeed numerous risks associated with the accelerating ice melting in the polar regions. It is essential for us to reconsider the impacts we have caused on the environment and take action accordingly.
Sit.
This is a devastating force of a mud flow that can destroy everything in its path. The combination of drought, extreme temperatures, and the influence of strong winds can create a highly volatile situation. It is highly unpredictable, as these factors can rapidly escalate and pose a significant danger. A centuries-old bridge tragically succumbs to the relentless onslaught of heavy floods in southeastern China. A sudden dam collapse unleashes a torrential onslaught of raging water. The powerful gusts of a windstorm leave a lasting impression, showcasing the raw force of nature.
Alter! Scheiße, Alter!
Floods, with their relentless surge of water, serve as a reminder of the immense power of nature and the profound impact it can have on our lives. It is indeed extremely dangerous and frightening. While floodwaters may recede quickly, the aftermath and recovery efforts can be prolonged for humans as they work to overcome the consequences left behind. When Mother Nature gets angry, the consequences can be truly devastating. A tsunami is approaching and wreaking havoc on nearby areas. Looking at the sky, it's evident that the storm is gearing up and getting ready. Can you see that torrent of floodwater? It's truly terrifying. This is likely a case of a flood occurring at the upstream and now moving, posing a threat to other areas downstream. This is a double dose of destruction and danger, the epitome of a natural disaster. A silent collapse is unfolding in the video below. A vast expanse of land experiencing erosion and slowly drifting away. Truly surprising. Be cautious and prepared in the face of these natural disasters. Stay safe, everyone. The ball is easily torn apart by this fierce windstorm. It's truly horrifying. Stormy rains, coupled with hailstorms, pose even greater challenges for transportation and movement of vehicles. The wind force is truly terrifying. You might have heard somewhere about the Earth warming up and the melting of polar ice caps. What are your thoughts on this issue? I can imagine that many viewers would feel frightened by such a spectacle. If I were to put myself in the shoes of one of those tourists, it would undoubtedly be a terrifying experience. This is one of the major causes of significant annual damages that countries facing floods have to confront. Thank you for taking the time to enjoy this video showcasing incredible moments in nature. If you enjoyed the images and experiences, please remember to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on similar videos in the future. Let's embark on a journey together to explore and learn more about our planet through these amazing nature videos. Thank you for your support and subscribing to our channel.